Hoverboard seat attachments or go-kart conversions offer a compelling way to repurpose compact self-balancing scooters into family-friendly seated rides for kids and adults. They expand accessibility, enabling longer ride times, easier balance management, and a novel social activity without requiring a full-sized cart or skateboard. In this comparison, product number 1. GoTrax's entry-level Hoverfly Kart seat attachment accessory for 6.5-inch, 8-inch, 8.5-inch, 10-inch self-balancing scooter. This is GoTrax's entry-level Hoverfly Kart with an aluminum frame, adjustable from 30.70 inches to 38.58 inches, designed to fit a broad range of GoTrax models and most other hoverboards via adjustable nylon straps. It emphasizes an ergonomic seat, anti-slip handlebar, and a 180-day warranty. It's positioned as a value-focused option within the category, compatible with wheel sizes from 6.5 inches to 10 inches and pedal dimensions over 16.93 inches. The inclusion of a dual-tube aluminum frame and 360-degree steering capability are notable for a budget option. In practice, the frame adjustability provides decent legroom for a wide age range, and the 360-degree steering with anti-slip grips improves confidence during first rides. The product's lighter weight and simpler assembly, under 10 minutes, make it appealing for casual users or families testing go-kart play. However, being an imported OEM under a lower price point may raise questions about long-term durability under heavy use, and the instruction clarity could influence initial setup experience. Product number 2. Go-kart seat attachment for self-balancing scooter. Adjustable frame fits 6.5 inches. This model from Awe Scooter markets itself as a versatile K1 go-kart seat attachment with an adjustable frame length of 28.3 inches to 33.5 inches and a high load capacity of 265 pounds. It ships with detailed assembly guidance and a 1-year warranty, positioning it as a mid-tier option with a focus on ease of installation and a padded, comfortable seat experience. It explicitly notes compatibility with most balance boards while excluding boards with a central bar, which is a common constraint in this segment. Performance-wise, the K1 offers 360-degree steering wheels with foam-potted grips and a dual-control drift experience, making it suitable for both kids and adults seeking a more dynamic ride. The 5 to 10-minute assembly timeline aligns well with busy households. The higher weight tolerance aids family sharing, but the exclusion of boards with a center bar could limit compatibility in certain popular models. Aftermarket support appears solid given the 1-year warranty and responsive customer service. Product number 3. K2 self-balancing scooter go-kart with rear shock absorption. Flytrax's K2 kart attachment emphasizes rear shock absorption and an off-road ready experience with upgraded rubber wheels. It explicitly states compatibility with 6.5-inch to 10-inch boards, but notes that the self-balancing scooter is not included. The K2 features a telescoping frame length of 28.3 inches to 33.5 inches and a maximum load of 265 pounds, mirroring premium feel in a budget to mid-tier package. The emphasis on terrain adaptability marks a distinct selling point for users seeking more robust performance on varied surfaces. In practice, the rear shocks and off-road rubber wheels contribute to improved ride comfort and stability, especially on less-than-perfect pavement. The unit includes additional straps and tools to simplify assembly within 5 to 10 minutes, aligning with user expectations for quick setup. The main caveat is that the product is an attachment only, and the price point may be similar to more feature-rich offerings from other brands, which could influence perceived value. Product number 4. GoTrax's Hoverboard Kart seat attachment accessory for 6.5, 8, 8.5, 10-inch self-balancing scooter. This is GoTrax's premium variant within the same family, featuring a dual-tube aluminum frame and a slightly adjusted frame length range of 29.33 inches to 37.8 inches. It preserves the same fundamental compatibility scope, 6.5 to 10-inch boards, and includes a 180-day warranty. The dual-tube design ostensibly offers greater rigidity and improved overall stiffness for more aggressive riding styles or heavier riders, which translates to higher perceived quality and durability. From a user perspective, the dual-tube construction reduces flex under load, contributing to steadier steering and better balance management during high-speed turns or 360-degree spins. The longer frame range accommodates taller riders or users seeking more legroom. However, despite improved chassis, the warranty window remains modest, and the price at $65.99 places it at a premium within this category, so buyers should weigh the incremental build quality against the cost. Product number 5. Hoverboard seat attachment for 6.5 to 10-inch hoverboard. The KKA Go-Kart 01B is a rugged steel-framed option with a 26 to 34.5-inch frame adjustment range, designed for broad compatibility with 6.5 to 10-inch boards, excluding centers with a bar. It emphasizes a larger seat and 4 straps for secure anchoring, with a 1-year part warranty. The kit includes a toolkit and detailed instructions, positioning it as a practical, family-friendly conversion kit with robust hardware and clear assembly steps. In use, the KKA kit prioritizes safety and stability, leveraging a steel outer frame and reinforced seat design to reduce wobble during acceleration, braking, and turns. The 4-strap approach improves load distribution, and the included toolkit helps expedite setup. A potential drawback is the weight of the steel frame, which can increase overall heft and affect transport or storage, and some users may prefer a lighter aluminum alternative for portability.